Hi YouTube and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a video about my first aid kit and medical supplies that I keep in my apartment. Now I have these three bins here. The top one and the bottom one I've kind of shown on camera before. They both reside underneath my bed, and that middle one is actually kept in my closet. So here's the bottom bin. Again, this one stays under the bed. And I'm just going to open it up so you can take a look and see what's inside, and then I'll go through each item. So first, here's where I keep some of my excess masks. Here's a trauma kit. It is the bleeding control medical kit, and it is by Sam Medical. So within the kit itself, there is a tourniquet, a marker, compressed gauze, shears, medical gloves, a bandage, and an instruction card. Now, I am not a medical professional. I don't have any real world medical experience. I have taken the CERT program, and there is a medical component to that. And I am trying to get into a Stop the Bleed class, but with COVID, they aren't really offering classes like they normally would. So as of right now, I'm pretty much just watching YouTube videos, but I am trying to get into a Stop the Bleed course at some point. This is another trauma kit, or the trauma pack. It's by Adventure Medical. And in this one, there is QuikClot, trauma pads, gloves, duct tape, bandages, dressings. There's antiseptic wipes and a resealable bag for bio waste and sucking chest wounds. Here's my pulse oximeter. This just measures your oxygen levels and your heart rate. I have this small dental first aid kit, also by Adventure Medical. Now within this particular kit, there is a tea bag, Anbesol, Orasol, benzocaine, dental wax, temporary filling, temporary cavity filling, cotton pellets, cotton rolls, dental floss, and toothpicks. Now this is my emergency first aid kit. It is by Adventure Medical. It's the Mountain Series Comprehensive, and it's more or less made for hiking or outdoor activity. And I got it because I figured it would be a great complement to my emergency bag, because I could just combine the two using carabiners or even a bungee cord, something like that. But anyway, there's quite a bit of stuff in here. Now I'm just going to show you the back of the kit because it lists most of what's in here on the back. If I went through it, it would actually double the size of this video. But if you're interested in this particular kit and you'd like to see a more in-depth video just about this kit, leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll make that video for you. Now, I did get this from hsastore.com. They have quite a few Adventure Medical items over there if you're interested. And you can also use your healthcare spending account on these items if you wanted to. So the blue Adventure Medical first aid kit is what I consider my travel first aid kit, but this kit here is actually our everyday first aid kit. So if anyone has any minor cuts, stomach problems, headaches, cold, flu, this is actually the first aid kit that we would reach for. So in this top section, I have towelettes. I don't remember where I got those from. I also have bandages and band-aids in the top section. I also keep some eye drops up here. In that middle section, I have new gauze pads. A cold pack. And some more band-aids on the side. In the bottom is where I keep the over-the-counter meds. I have this Benadryl cream for skin irritations. This Pepto-Bismol chewables for nausea and stomach issues. I have this Pepcid AC for heartburn. I have this Neosporin for scrapes and cuts. I have this Imodium, again for stomach issues. I have this Advil for fevers and for pain relief. I have some Tylenol for the same. I have these Tums. This again is for heartburn issues. Sudafed for flu and cold. Mucinex for chest congestion. And this Robitussin DM, which is a cough medicine and decongestant. It's a 2-pack. One is a day and one is a night formula. Now here's that final bin. I keep this one in my closet. Most of what is in here would be duplicates of items I already have, or they are bulkier items that don't fit in my other kits. So for instance, I keep my extra multivitamin in here. I have some oral analgesic gel. I have this bottle of Advil. Some Pepcid Complete. I have this larger bag of cough drops. More Band-Aids. Some gloves. These are some hand cleansing wipes. I got more Mucinex in here. I have this chest rub. More bandages. Or Band-Aids rather. I have these Curad alcohol prep pads. I do also have more alcohol and peroxide underneath my bathroom sink. I have more Sudafed. I have this rolled gauze. And finally, I have another bottle of cough medicine, Robitussin. So that's it for my first aid kit and medical supplies. Now in January, I do plan on buying more items for my first aid kits. Specifically, I want to build up a trauma kit. I was kind of hoping to take the Stop the Bleed first, and that way I could maybe get some ideas of what should be in that kit. But since I don't know when I'm going to be able to take that, I'm just going to have to start buying stuff. Also, I don't take any prescription drugs at the moment, but my mother does. We did make sure that she had a 90-day supply, which I put into her emergency bag. She takes prescriptions, but she also takes a low-dose aspirin. She has her own stockpile of that. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great week. Bye-bye.